Hello there, Ívar by Ívar's Fly Workshop here, and today we are going to tie a nymph, and the nymph is called Jock. A relatively simple nymph, but effective one. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but it's a very good nymph, simple, and you start to attach the thread like usual with our bobbin to the hook shank and prepare the tail of the fly. But for the tail we are using a head feather of golden pheasant. And the golden pheasant is a pretty bird that has many good feathers to tie lots of flies from, both the head and the beak and tail and stuff. It's really cool. Next step is to attach the oval silver or gold, oval gold, and then we take a pinch of part of yellow floss, and the floss is tied on to the hook like that. And we'll snip off this end there. Then again we'll start and go with the thread back to about to the middle of the shank. Like it's like half and half, like this. Then we'll start to wrap the floss around the body and form the body of the fly actually, and make sure it covers all the thread which is under, and one more, and we'll lock it in place there with firm wraps, a couple of them, and then we'll just trim off the accessing material. Then you'll have to take a black floss. The front body is made out of black floss. This floss actually, which I'm using, it's in I think it comes in 5 strands. It's awful to work with, but here you have to use it to justify to buy a new one. And we'll attach that to the shank of the hook like that, and stop where the yellow part began, and then wrap the thread to the head or to the eye of the hook. Then we will just wrap the black floss around and build up the front body of the fly. Lock it in place there. There has to be a little room for the head. Do not forget that. And then we'll just snip off the existing material, and then we'll do and build up like a something to be ready to attach the oval gold which is coming. We'll wrap that around and lock that in there with the thread. Few secure tight wraps, and it's definitely gonna be staying in place. And that is about it. That is all the fly. That's all what it is. This is the Jock Nymph. It's a good nymph. Spring fishing, it's a good one. All of the nymphs I've tried which had divided color like this, black or red, or black or yellow, or even black or green, it seems all to work very well. Now I'll just throw on a few knots on it, cut away the thread, and the only thing left is a paint job to coat the head with varnish. I'm using a cellulose. I'm using it's a vineyard varnish which I'm using for this. Some I use UV resonance, so it just depends. So that's about it, folks. I just want to say thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you around.